Hello, today in Kajabi in 5 minutes, I've got something that's really cool and exciting. Okay, this is a brand new thing that Kajabi has introduced. I don't know how new, but it's very new and it's really cool. And so I want to talk about it. It is A/B testing in landing pages. So awesome. It's just cool. So if you go into your pages and then landing pages, you can do this on landing pages and funnel pages, which is really cool. And I haven't tested it out in funnel pages, so I don't know how it works. I think it works exactly the same way. But you can't do it with website pages, just landing pages or funnel pages. And on a side note, they also have A/B testing in email. You can in sending emails, so that's pretty cool. But in the landing pages, you go to your existing landing pages, and on the dots on the right, you click and then you go down to create A/B test. And it pops up a thing and it says, what do you want to test? Clicks, opt-ins, conversions, or money, GMV. And then how long do you want to test it for? Days or hours? You just put it in. So what I did, created a test on conversions, the number of conversions, and for 30 days, create. Then in the pages area at the top, you'll see A/B test up there. You click over on that. Well, it takes you there automatically, but you can always go back to it by clicking there. And then you'll see there's this test based off of that page for you. And what happens is you get your page and the A version, the existing version, and then the B version is a copied version. And you can go and edit that page, whatever you want. So I went in. This was my Kajabi code sales page that I did this to. And I went in and I changed, the color of this one thing because I didn't really like it. And I took out the lead magnet opt-in at the bottom of the page, which is, an interesting point to talk about because it seemed like a bad idea to put, a lead magnet at the bottom of a sales page in case people, didn't want to buy the course. But what I was thinking was like, if people don't want to buy the course, $100, then maybe that's too much, to take a chance on. I'll let them get the lead magnet where they can get a sample of this code and see if they like it. And if they do like it, then they'll come back and buy the course. But there's two options on a sales page, and you're never supposed to really give someone two options on the page. And so anyways, I took that out. So now I've got two versions of the page, and Kajabi is going to just direct people 50-50 split randomly. Maybe I'm not sure I don't know how they split it, but it's a 50-50 split incoming traffic to the same link. There's no different URLs or anything like that, to one page or the other. And after 30 days, all sorts of cool metrics are there in the dashboard about, unique views and this, that. So you can see like which page is converting better. And, I checked the code course page first because I wanted to see like if it was getting viewed. And, the analytics shows it's getting, a good decent number of views per month. And so I'm excited now to see, the 30 days hasn't finished, but I'm excited to see what is going to work better. Anyways, that's kind of beside the point. The point is that this is really cool and could be very useful, and it's easy to do. Once you've got your page done in landing pages, you just click the dots, create the test, set the metrics, only takes 5 seconds. And then you go in and you do make your edits. So if you've got a lead magnet page or an opt-in or a freebie that you're bringing people to, I recommend you do this because you'll be able just to get a better idea about what works and what doesn't. And if you're in the business of using Kajabi, selling your stuff, then that's what's going to make you successful. Testing stuff out, figuring out what works and what doesn't, and honing in on what works. And so the A/B test, in my opinion, is pretty cool. And that's what I wanted to share with you today.